So how do we transform this balloon into a space helmet? Stay tuned to find out because we're gonna get crafty.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What is up, my super fabulous million people around the world? I'm Yowawerts, and today we're going to make a space helmet using a balloon, newspaper, and a little bit of glue. But before we proceed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the thumbs up, and might as well share this video with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to comment down below what cardboard craft or any craft I should make in the next video. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to blow this balloon until it reaches the same size as your head. Yeah. So I'm going to start blowing this balloon now. I hope it doesn't explode. Also, if you want to waste your time, you can also do this. Look at this! Happy 3rd birthday. The next thing you want to do after you blow your balloon is you're gonna tie a knot. Yes, Girl Scout. There you go, perfectly tied. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to play volleyball using this balloon. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to recycle a newspaper and cut it into pieces. With a pair of scissors, you can cut your newspaper into pieces like this, or you can also use a cutter for a much faster job. Once you're done, you're gonna have some pieces of newspapers like this. In the next procedure, we're going to need a lot of glue, so I bought this Zoe Instant Starch. It's normally used for laundry, but it can also be used for paste. But before I proceed, let us first mark the areas where we'll be putting on our newspapers to the balloon. So using this, we are going to measure our head. Make sure you don't make it too tight. And we're going to secure that with tape. There you go. Next, go grab your balloon and place this thing that you've made here at the bottom of the balloon. And using a pen, we're going to mark these areas right there. So once you're done, you're gonna have something like that. And since we're going to make a space helmet, then we should have that window thing in the face. So in these areas, we will not be putting on our newspapers here in these areas. So yeah, let's go to the next step. Good morning, everyone. It is day 2 and we were supposed to pop the balloon today, but unfortunately, just look at that. As I woke up, this greeted me. We're supposed to witness the popping of the balloon, but anyways, if you got it right, then you'll have something like this. when the balloon pops. So here is our unfinished space helmet. I'm gonna show you a 360-degree view. There still is unfinished, and always remember that the hardness of your helmet will matter on how many layers of newspaper you put into it. So I advise for you to make more than 5 layers, because I think mine's 6 or 7 layers, I don't know. What we need to do now is to just design our space helmet. But before we do that, if you see any pieces of newspaper that had not been totally stick, then just use a glue to paste it like so. Now, space helmets, as seen in movies, they all have those circle stuff something at the sides. So I'm gonna put my space helmet with circly stuff too, and I'm going to use a cap from a water container. We can use plastic bottles, cardboard, anything just to form those circle stuff in your space helmet. So I'm gonna put it at the side, so it's gonna look like this, or maybe just that. So I'm gonna go grab my glue gun now, and I'm gonna paste it in these areas. Dried, but before I show you the finished product, I photoshopped my own space logo, which I put in my space helmet. So here is our space helmet, Paasa. We also have this Philippine flag sticker right here. At the left side, we also have a small Paasa logo. It fits just fine. Do I look like an astronaut now? So I really had fun making this space helmet. It was very easy. We only used balloon, pieces of old newspaper, glue, and paint. And that's it, and we already have our own space helmet. If you want to make your own helmet, whatever kind of helmet it might be, if you're going to use this procedure, I don't know how to call it, but if you're just going to use this balloon newspaper technique, then it would be just very easy, and it would be very much cheaper. So if you like this space helmet I made, be sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they'll know about this awesome DIY. And also a massive shout out to Jules Man. What's up, man? Anyways, I think that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay creative, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!